I open the door, and to my utter surprise, the Pyrex bowl has fused itself to the glass turntable, and the smoke absolutely stinks. I'll have to try and retrieve the eggs, but from what I can see, my microwave has been fatally wounded, and I have a feeling that glass bowl is about to explode.
Yeah, but Manny's trying to finish the monopoly.
And yes, sure enough, that Pyrex glass bowl exploded, and now I have to try and retrieve my egg.
Almost done.
My microwave's turntable spinner has been completely incinerated, and now sadly this microwave is nothing but scrap.